elasticity of substitution. How easy it is to substitute one good for the another. How easy. It is to substitute. I'd rather say one input for the another. So you have two inputs, x1 and x2. So how easy it is for you to substitute one input for the another, right? Now, if you look at one of the isoquant, right? So for example, this is labor and this is capital, and this is an isoquant, Q equals to Q naught. Clear? So along one isoquant, MRTS is falling as K by L is falling, right? So if you are at this moment, at this point, then at this point you have a certain K by L, that is K1 by L1. At this point, say for example, you have the different K by L, for example K2 by L2, right? So at point 1, at this point K1 is more and L1 is less. At this point K is less and L is more. So K by L is falling along an isoquant as you move down along an isoquant. And not even that, even MRTS is falling, right? So MRTS at this point is this, and MRTS at this point is this. So MRTS is also falling. MRTS is also falling, right? So the point is, along an isoquant, the MRTS will fall as K by L will fall, right? So the point is that supposedly if MRTS doesn't change at all, if MRTS does not change at all, right? For changes in K by L, right? So K by L is changing, but MRTS is not changing. So in this case, you say that substitution is easy. Clear? Right? Because the ratio of input, ratio of marginal product of two inputs is not changing as the input mix is changing. So your input mix is changing, your K by L is changing, right? But the ratio of marginal products is not changing, so we say that the substitution is easy, right? Well, if MRTS changes rapidly, due to small changes in K by L, we say that substitution is difficult, right? So very small variations in input mix will have a huge change in the marginal productivities of inputs. So we say that substitution is very difficult in this case, right? And this scale of measurement, okay, scale of this responsiveness is provided by elasticity of substitution. So we say that a scale-free